How you doing, guys? Been a while since I've been able to post, but I want to do a video on the T5. The T5 has been missing in action for about a month now. I know a lot of you thought that I had the snowplow on the T5 when I was pushing the ice and the trees out of the road in the last couple of videos I made, but actually that was not the T5. I do not use the T5 to do that. I do use a snowblower on the T5. It's signed up with a snow blower, but not a snow plow. Um, so it wasn't out in the ice storm. I know a lot of y'all thought I was beating the crap out of it with all those limbs and stuff, but it wasn't the T5. That tractor that I was using with the snowplow, and I know some of you already know this that keep up with me really close, but that was the T6030 New Holland, which belongs to my dad. And that tractor's been doing that type of stuff, snow plowing and tree removal. It's had to do that one other time, I think. But the snow plowing it does right regular in the wintertime. Um, but anyway, yeah, that wasn't the T5. The T5 has been back to the dealer, and it's been there for about a month because I hadn't really needed it. So before the warranty ran out, which it has ran out now, but I took it down there about 2 weeks before the warranty ran out, and they were going to try to figure out what was causing the banging noise when I was square baling hay. I know some of you may not know what I'm talking about, but if you watch uh, some of my square baling videos, I've talked about it. There's a banging noise in the transmission or the rear end somewhere that's kind of irritating, and it doesn't sound too good. But every time you're baling heavy windrows of hay inside the tractor somewhere, you can hear this clunking or banging as the tractor's kind of rocking back and forth with the square baler going. So anyway, I made this video at the dealer that I'm about to show you, and yeah, we'll just check it out. See what you think.
Well, I'm at the dealer looking at my T5 and see what's going on with it here. It's been taken apart a little bit. They are trying to find that noise that I'm having when I'm square baling. So they think they figured out what the problem is. It's a backlash on the ring and pinion. But they've got it split right here. Got the trumpets off. Here's a trumpet. That's a brake disc. Got everything out of the inside here. Cab. Everything's unhooked off the back of the cab. Cab's jacked up. Quite a bit to it. Looks like fuel tanks sitting here. Def tank. There's the hydraulic oil and all the wiring. Yep. Yeehaw. Maybe they'll get it straightened out though, where it'll quit making that banging noise while I'm square baling. That's the plan. That's the deal that they're trying to get worked out for me. So, maybe so. This is we're here at Franklin Welding, and I tell you what, if you buy a tractor off these guys, they'll take good care of you on warranty. So that's why I buy my tractors here. They don't mind digging into stuff like this. This is all being covered under warranty. I'm not paying a dime for none of this. This tractor is out of warranty now, but when I brought it here, it had about 2 weeks left of warranty, and they jumped right on it, and so they could get it all covered under warranty. And they are under the direction of New Holland. This is what New Holland wanted them to do, and this is what they're doing. So hopefully when they get it back together, then it'll all be straight. There's the PTO gear set. PTO shaft sticking out down. Can't really see it right. There's the PTO 540 PTO shaft. This is the gear set where you change it 540 Eve 1 and 1000 and all that good stuff. Here's the other trumpet. So yeah, she's tore all apart right now. Well, they'll get it back together. It ain't the first time it's been tore apart. Last time it was here, the engine was tore apart. And they fixed the bearing in the engine. And it's been working fine ever since, so. Hopefully, this will fix this issue. Here's all the, oh, here's the ring gear. Here's the pinion gear right here. That's what had too much play in it, and they're supposed to re-shim all that. They're going to re-shim the spider gears. But yeah, here's all kinds of pieces and parts to the T5. All right, that's an update.